Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I am your host, Martin. In this episode, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin at critical support. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be updated with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links will be going out right about now. So, how's it going, guys? Mean day, right? Mean day. It looks so promising. And then it started to crash. There's a reason for that crash. We'll discuss in a second. Hate that crash. I was really hoping we were going to do something special. I really thought we had something special, man. We didn't. We didn't. It was just a fake out. All right, we'll talk about that, like I said, in a second. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for joining me. Let's go to the screen where the magic happens. Guys, I am going to keep the stream tonight a little bit short. So basically, whatever's on Q plus 2 more coins, I think the list should be updating. It is updated, so that's fine. The reason I'm keeping it short. I have visitors. I have a visitor that's arriving really early. His flight gets in at 4 in the morning, so I gotta go to the airport at 5 in the morning. I think so, something like that. Anyways, that's the reason I'm keeping it short. So I do gotta wake up super early, so I do want to get some sleep. And then, yeah. So interesting day tomorrow. Thank you all for being here again. Like I said, let's get rolling with the crypto stuff. We are here on the screen where the magic happens. Total market cap, what is going on? Yes, still higher low than the previous low, so that's fine. Hitting that 20 moving average and bouncing right now. Not where we want to be. Still within the area of support and resistance, right? That area of consolidation that we talked about. Now, where we hit that bottom yesterday. Look at that, right? Very, very close to hitting that bottom. We'll make this larger so you can see where we hit. Almost hitting that bottom. Now today we're going near that 20 and rejecting it. So still above 2 trillion, which is fine. That's the only good thing going on right now. Really nothing else going on though, right? Still have the same hidden bullish divergence. Neutral at 58.27. That's about it. On the total market cap, it's not a most exciting thing. Let's go check out Bitcoin dominance at 43.35. Yesterday dropping 1.47%. That means alt dropped less than Bitcoin. And today dropping 0.12%. Bitcoin going down 0.29. Alt's going down 0.09. Man, how are they going to hold? Let's check out Bitcoin dominance. Now, where's Bitcoin at? 46,857, man. It is a critical support. Barely above 46,801. We're wicked below, but we're still holding. Yesterday, we almost touched that area. We're below the 20 moving average. Not where we want to be, right? We're still in the zone, 49,691, 46,801. That area. We're still consolidating within. The question is this going to hold? Is this going to hold? All right. Man, I wish I could tell you it's going to hold. Hey, La Casa Fantasma, what's up? Thank you very much for being here. Let's do this here, man. What's up? Where is the what's up? Here we go. There we go. So, do I wish it was a little bit of a better situation? I do. I don't want to be in this area. We're hitting an area of critical support. If we fail there, 45,000. If we don't hold 45,600, sorry, 45,467, man, could be bad. It's about 40,000s. 40,997, right? So, you asked me a couple days ago, how bullish are you? I told you I'm not that bullish right now. I'm not bearish, I'm just not super bullish. And that's something I said yesterday and 2 days ago when you guys asked. So, why am I not super bullish? Well, a couple things going on, right? One, we broke this blue line of support, so we're going short-term bear. We're starting to move down, right? Last time we had bearish divergence, we have hidden bullish, popped us, failed to get back above that line, still rejected 49,000. Nothing else bearish happening though, right? So that's that hidden bearish is all we have. Now, the only good thing that we could probably hold on to here is this, right? Look, we are still going lower, making more negative momentum here and going lower here, right? So on that note, we are kind of dragging this hidden bearish divergence. But that's about it there, right? I mean, hidden bearish finicky, you could still drop to here, 45,000, like I said, still try to hold support. And if we're balanced, I don't like where we're at. I don't like where we're at, my friends. I was really hoping we we're going to get a break above 49. We didn't. Obviously, rejection, right? We're still consolidating. That's fine. Still consolidating this area. It's not a big move down. It was around 3%, 3.69%. I just don't like the way Bitcoin's moving because we're not getting definition. Now, I'm going to show you something here on the 4-hour chart. I think it's in the 4-hour. Maybe it might have been in the 1 hour, but we'll go to the 4-hour first. See what we have hit. If we have it here. We're from a low, right, to a lower low. This crossed the MACD into our site. It did not play out with a lot of strength. And it would have been a MACD entry, right? MACD strategy entry. So we had a contraction of the Bollinger Bands, and we're starting to expand them to downside, right? Small contraction, expanding to downside. Not what we want to see. That means we're still probably going to move a little bit down. Hopefully, again, we are at a support with strong bullish divergence right now. We could close here in the 4-hour, next 4-hour candle, try to get back up. That would not be bad. We don't have this against the RSI. Just sold at 37.01, which is not bad. Being sold is not bad. Which means we got to get back to that neutral area. How we get there? Again, we try to pop, or we move slightly sideways. We can still go until the oversold area, right? We have not been oversold in a while. Have not been oversold since, I think here we wicked it, since the 19th of July. So again, very, very tight. Well, let's go on our chart. Shall Rebirth, what's up, my friend? Thank you very much for being here. So I posted this in the Discord, right? On the long term, yes, Bitcoin, you're correct. But right now, we're starting to fail here, right? We're starting to make a lower low than the previous low. All right, so not so hot. We're really going to get pushed back today. Otherwise, it's going to be trouble. 1-hour chart. Look at this, right? I talked about this the other day. I was like, we had bearish divergence hidden, right, to here. I said to move this down. Strong bullish, right? I talked about this yesterday. Look, we have strong bullish. Let's see how, sorry, not strong bullish. We had strong bearish. Talked about how the bearish indicator is going to play down, right? So we had strong bullish. I did post this picture today on the Discord. That's what we're changing it to yellow. So I posted this on the Discord. It was strong bullish divergence, fraction to the upside. But look at how strong we went, right? And look at what's happening. Hidden bearish divergence. It's breaking us back down with a lot of strength. So just a hidden bearish divergence. Not even strong bearish divergence. Hidden bearish divergence of all things. Breaking us down with strength. So, is that good? Not necessarily. We do know what it means when the bearish indicators start to take over, right? Bearish indicators taking over. Bullish indicators failing to play out. Must be that we're going for a downtrend. We do know that September's tend to be red. Hopefully it's not going to be the case. When we get a bounce here, man. Not super hopeful though, right? Look at the 1 hour. There's nothing bullish. Coming down, lower, negative momentum, more negative momentum, low on the RSI, lower point on the RSI, oversold at 28.77. Just on the fact that we're oversold, we could be looking for action to upside, but there's nothing bullish to guide us right now. At least not in the 1 hour. Am I happy about this? No. Nah, I was really, really hoping they were going to pump higher. The other thing I do like, though, is that Ethereum is holding on against Bitcoin nicely. It is trying to hold on. I'll show you real quick here on the 1 hour chart. Come back to the Bitcoin, though, right? Look at that. Bitcoin dropped lower in the previous low. Ethereum still holding on slightly higher, right? But again, Bitcoin putting the hurting on everyone. Don't like it. Don't like it. The fact that, Bitcoin is just messing the market up. It's messing it for everyone, man. It's like, you can go be bearish Bitcoin. Let us, the rest of the market, go play and be happy. Look, back above support. Great. So, if we're going to fight for this zone, I believe, with tooth and nail. Last time we were there, we held beautifully, right? We'd slightly broken a candle, recovered. Oh, man, if we get something like this happening again, it could be good, right? Tristan, thank you very much for being here. Hello. What's up? So, again, holding here, yes, could be creating a double bottom. All right, that'll be bad. Ethereum holding. Right, look, here, again, one bottom, we could be looking for another bottom here. Hopefully that's going to be the case. If that is the case, we could be looking for a bounce. Who knows, man? Who knows, man? September's tend to be red. We already looked at this historically, right? 7 out of the last 10 Septembers are red. Looking for a slow correction. I'm not sure. We haven't looked at SOL today. No one requested it on the list. 46 is important. Yes, 46 is important. If we break this area, it's not going to be good. Sorry, guys. Move the mouse more. If we break this area, it's not going to be good. So, where can we go, man? I'm looking for a bounce. The hidden divergence, or strong bullish divergence that we have, if we close above this line, we're not going to have it. Why? Well, let's zoom in here. I'll show you. Oh, do you want to move that? Let's just zoom in here and I'll show you, right? Look at that. That line, the opening, 46,854, right? So, sorry, the closing, 46,801, right? So we are on the line. We need to close below the line for this divergence to play. Otherwise, it's not going to be good. So please, good sir, you're welcome, my friend. Thank you very much. Hope you're enjoying your trip. I think you're on vacation, so I hope you're enjoying your trip. I thought you said you're going to go to Vegas to play in a tournament. I hope that's still happening. I still hope you're also in. Anyways, not the best looking, right? Worried somewhat, not super worried, just a little bit worried where the market is. Again, hoping that we find support and we try to bounce. I'm not gonna lie, breaking 46, next support, 45,467 if we break there, man. 43,000, but then by that time, we're almost at the old area that we were in back here, right? So, I mean, this is not we're not holding with a lot of strength, right? It's a very quick trip downhill to the $40,000 mark. So, is it a good time to invest in alts? Oh, bro. I mean, Bitcoin tends to guide the market. If Bitcoin drops, it's not gonna be good. Now, I don't want to be like, I don't want to sound bearish. I'm not bearish still, I told you guys. I'm just worried about the market, right? I'm worried about the market. Someone's saying lost like 20K. Ooh, yeah. That is stressful, man. So, you asked me a couple days ago, like I said, you asked me if I was bullish. I told you no. Not super bullish, but I'm not bearish. I'm waiting. We're consolidating. We're in this area. To break 49,691 and then about 51,000 if we want to go back bullish, and we can still break to 45,000 and hold there. But man, breaking 45,000, yo, it's not going to be feeling really good, right? Could put us back in a bear trend. We do know, like I said, September is sent to be red. Just be careful. Be mindful of that. Out of the last 10 Septembers, we looked at this with historical data. At the last 10 Septembers, we counted 7 have been red, 3 have been green. So could we be getting a green one? Yeah, but right now it's a 70% chance that it's red, at least from past history. So we'll see, right? We'll see. Could it be correlated because kids are going back to school? Maybe parents need to withdraw money from crypto so they can pay expenses. Would that be something that happens here in crypto? I'm not sure. I do know that in September here, at least where I'm at, is bad for restaurants because a lot of people like don't have money to spend. Ooh, oh, you got liquidated. Oh, it sucks, bro. This is also historically bad for the stock market. Yeah. So we'll see, man. I'm not really hopeful, but you know, I'm cautious. That's all I'm gonna be doing here. Be cautious with your money. Be smart with your money. Right? So we're still holding, right? We're still holding slightly higher than the previous high right now, but not super bad. Yo, says, my short is so heavy in profit. Congrats. Right. What should you do? Well, you should do what you feel like doing. You're heavily in profit, so take some profit, keep riding it. Not sure what you want to do. Let's go check out Ethereum. Ethereum 3,211. Let's get that daily, man. Ethereum was doing good, bro. I was super happy because we'd gotten above 3,324, and I was like, man, is this gonna be the time that we break above there and stay above there? Upsettingly, no, it isn't. It isn't. We broke back down. We'd still managed to close on the green, but barely 0.04%. Thank you, Bitcoin, for bringing everyone down. Right now going down, but still above that 382. Hopefully we can hold here. Nothing bullish happening, nothing bearish, neutral at 56.74. So on the other side, we don't really have a clear indicator, right, as to where the market's gonna go. That's sad. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. All right, man, he's selling tools. Awesome. So, Ethereum suppression. Sure, Ethereum held nice. Look at it, still consolidating this area. Not like Bitcoin that dropped, right? It just dropped, but not a lot. So, 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, we're still coming up higher here. Satoshi Sakamoto, what's up, my friend? Thank you very much for joining us tonight. Look at this, friend. We do have an island here. I'm choosing to ignore it. It's insignificant. There was an island separation here. Strong bearish divergence, action to the downside, breaking us down. Trying to hold a 20 moving average in the last 4-hour candle, failing right now. So we still need to close there, man. Star Oz, hi. Please, can you say me what will happen with Bitcoin? I already said what's going to happen with Bitcoin. We just got to go back to it in a second. So if you wait for a recap, I just finished Bitcoin. That was the first one I analyzed. So below 20 moving average, not the strongest. Low to high, negative, less negative. Low to high, everything here is okay. There's really nothing bearish happening, nothing bullish happening. The last thing we have is a strong bearish divergence. And bro, was it painful to see Ethereum break below 3,324? Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, look at this. We had bullish divergence here, pop, bearish hidden, dropped lower, right? That's fine. We had this yesterday. Look at what happened today. We came lower, created strong bullish divergence. Not only did we have against the MACD here, look. Not only once, we created it twice. From here to here's one, and then from here to here's another one. And then on this last bit, we created it also against the RSI. So with that, action to the upside. We got a very nice rally, man. Even on the candle after that green candle that broke us above, I was really happy. Right? I was really happy here because we came down, held support, and rejected with strength. Came back up and rejected with strength. So very nice, man. Sucks that we're breaking back down again. Like I said, Bitcoin putting pain on everyone. But look at this, Ethereum trying to hold. Right? Ethereum trying to hold. Is Bitcoin doing the same thing right now? Is it slightly green? Slightly green. So everyone's following Bitcoin right now. That's what I'm getting. At least from looking at Ethereum right now, it seems like everyone wants to follow the corn. Man, low to high. Look at this. It's negative. More negative. Yay. Even if we go here, right? So we're going higher and lower. So hidden bullish. Ethereum does have a reason to hold. Where would this move target? 20 moving average will be the likely target here. But bro, are we going to break above it? I don't know yet. I don't know yet, right? You heard somewhere buying at 38K in a Twitter. That's scary for you. Sure, why that's scary, dude. Bitcoin was like around that area a couple weeks ago. So it's rough. So it's doing it right. Harmony up 20% a day. Yeah, like I said, it's not the end. Bitcoin's still in the range, still in that $49,000 to $46,000 range, right? So long as it's still there, it could give alts a room to run, but a lot of pressure and a lot of projects, man. ADA took a hit yesterday. All right, so anyways, we're neutral, 45.71. That is it here. No indication as to where we're going to go on the RSI. So, MACD, it's in bullish. We should be looking for action to the upside, hopefully at 20 moving average. If we get above there, price to beat will be then 3,324, and then above there, 3,343, right? Those would be the prices for Ethereum. Ethereum head and shoulder on what time scale? Valentine. I'm not sure how to say it. Head and shoulders on what time scale? Give me a time scale. Gotta say a time scale, otherwise like doesn't count. Like Ethereum somewhere or something. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe. Where? Here? No. Nope. 4 hour. Shoulder, head, shoulder, inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, we're breaking down. So maybe, I'm not sure. I don't think so. We'll see. I mean, I'm not sure what you're looking at for head and shoulder here. Looking at a inverse head and shoulders. Per hour. Are you looking at inverse head and shoulders like this or what? Be the neckline. There we go. No, get the mouse to stick there. When you're looking at inverse head and shoulders, right? So it could be. It's just the fact that we're coming back down to the neckline. I don't like it. It's a test, all right? It's a pullback again to retest the neckline. Measure move. We're not that far from hitting it. 3,437. Sadly, we didn't get there. It does look like we want to go down, though. We'll see if we hold here. If we hold that neck, it will be fine. We'll see, man, right? Again, if we keep on holding here, we're below the 20, so we do want to get above that 20 moving average if we get a chance for a good bounce. A couple hours to go still. Yeah, Valentine, could be. So we're doing an inverse head and shoulders. Good eye, man. That's good. Hadn't looked at it, but it could be okay. I just got to check the wicks, though. Yeah, for sure. No wicks below the head. Yeah. Then we'll get up again. Yeah, I mean, I'm not super bearish. We just need to find a bounce, right? Like I said, I'm also not super bullish right now until we break 49,000, particularly 51,000. I'm back to bullish. Right now, I'm on passive mode. What I mean by passive, I'm just observing, I'm waiting for the market to move and see where we want to go. And I said that a couple days ago, and I still sustain it. We're still ranging. It's a big range, but you know, I'll show you on the corner again. That range goes, all right. That range goes from here, right, 49,601 to 46,801. Look at that. Right, since we broke here, up, down, right? We are in this range. Yeah. Fortunately, Bitcoin doesn't have it, right? Bitcoin doesn't have anything like it. I don't think we've seen it. So, yeah, Bitcoin doesn't have anything like it. So, it's just Ethereum. Will Ethereum do something different than Bitcoin? If Bitcoin keeps on moving sideways within this beat music for YouTube, yeah. Oh my God, a warehouse part. Thanks, man. Best music, thanks. So, what we can be expecting here, right? What can we expect here? Well, I would say if we do hold, right? If we do hold this area, and we still range, meaning we still stay within 49,000, 46,000, we might see alts starting to take off. We did see that happening with Ethereum yesterday. We did see that happening with Sol, just pumping 17% at some point in time throughout the day. So if that holds, if Bitcoin stays within this area, then yes, we might see alts pumping again. But the big move it took scared a lot of people. A lot of alts had the same move, right? Anyways, let's go Binance and keep on checking. Anyways, bearish divergence. Action to downside, moving down, going for that 20. Again, not a lot happening. Let's go here, man. Let's see. 2.43 negative, 3.44. All right, some hidden bullish. We're getting it near the 20 moving average, which is not bad. It's not a bad area to get hidden bullish. That means we could be trying to hold and maybe trying to go for a rally. If we do hit that 20, though, we could even hit that 20 and still have this hidden bullish divergence. It would not be bad. Neutral 56.95, pointing down there, slightly on the RSI. So again, waiting to see if this hidden bullish is going to trigger. Let's go here on the 4 hour, right? Look, in the 4 hour, we had a triangle, broke down. That's fine. Not really worried about it. Oh, also, I missed something on the. All right, so target would be at 443. Not too bad. Low, lower, negative, less negative, I think. Yep, less negative. So look at this strong bullish divergence. Ain't that crazy how this bullish divergence happened, man? Ain't that crazy how this bullish divergence happens, man? Look at this. This went lower, so let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. There we go. Oh, nice. Strong bullish now. Action to the upside. Here we were looking for some hidden. We did pop a bit. Rejected the 20. Again, we're in a triangle. Now going down. Let's see if this bullish divergence works. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Didn't do us any favors. I know. Weekend was weird. We talked about that. We talked about having a red Saturday. I was hoping for a green Sunday. We didn't get it. Again, not the end of the world so far. Neutral, sorry, sold at 33.69. Let's go to the 1 hour. There's really not a lot happening right now. Right, nothing super bearish, nothing super bullish here. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still, low to high. There's nothing bullish or bearish in the short term. So let's skip Binance. Let's go back here to Bitcoin. I forgot to mention something here in the daily. I do have something to show you guys. Can't remember where I drew it. I know I posted in the Discord. I have so many Bitcoin charts. I just don't remember which one I placed this in. Was it this that I drew? Yeah. I was looking at Bitcoin and looking at this move. It was in the 4 hour though, not the daily. All right. And I was looking at this move and I was like, bro, it does look as though we're trading in a triangle by using the wicks. If we use the wicks, we can top, we can top, we can top. Very nice resistance. If we use the wicks in the bottom, look, wicked. It's looking so good. See that 20 and reversed. So if we, on this 4 hour candle, we back up here, fake breakout, right? Okay, get back in. So let's go check out ADA now, which is on the list. And after that, it's sold. So ADA at $2.76. Is it roaring back to life? It is. Look at 1.22%. Still on that area of range that we talked about. We overextended to the downside, we overextended to the upside, but we're still consolidating. That's what we're looking for in ADA, right? Remember? Nothing bullish happening right now. Bought at 64.68. So I wish we would have cooled off a little bit more, but that's fine. Last thing we had, a hidden bearish, right? Action downside, sideways motion. Down and sideways. Great, checked. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing happening here that is bullish or bearish afterwards. Neutral at 48.74. So where can we go? Man, we do need to get above that 20. If we don't get above that 20 moving average, it's not going to be really good for it here, for ADA, right? Let's go here on the 1 hour chart. Lower, negative, less negative. Taking a pop, great. High to low, positive, less positive, high, low. Nothing here that is bearish. We're just breaking them farther. And even here, look, low, high, negative, less negative momentum, low to high, and then, right, low, lower, negative. Are we going more negative here? No, less negative, all right. It does have some bullish divergence. And the crowd goes wild. It's okay. It has something to say we're gonna pump, right? Look at it, it's starting to rally. Now where can it go? 20 moving average would be the primary target at $2.79. Neutral at 43.07. And if these are becoming a George already set up goal, it's a rich color, and we ain't in it. But that is good. Neutral at 40.73. That's it, dude. ADA. Again, I'll be waiting for something else to happen. We're still in a consolidation phase to break this area. And to break this area that we drew a while back. So this area to get out of, right? Officially get out of. So breaking to the upside and confirming, good chance of pump. Breaking to the downside and confirming, good chance of drop. Waiting for ADA to do something. Let's go check out soul. You gotta have soul, man. It's all about the soul, man. Solana, where you at, man? I think that I've lost my soul. Oh, here we go. Solana to the corn. Solana to the dollar. $113.73. Solana did really good. Look at it yesterday. 16%. Today, another 3%. Now, remember on Sol, we had bearish divergence. We did say we could get to a 2618 and still have strong bearish divergence. Look at this. Guts there. Still have strong bearish divergence. We even have it to right now. I'm just going to anchor it to this. Like I said, right? Extremely bullish market conditions in here on Solana. Bearish indicators might fail to play out. And it's still failing to play out, which is good. That means we're still pumping. We're overbought still, 85.75. What could be exhausting, remember? Everything that is upsloping has to get pulled back. It brings exhaustion. It's buyer exhaustion. So one time we get exhausted, we pull back down. Watch out for the pullback. Here, we just broke in the last couple 4 hour candles. Not bad. starting to develop strong bearish divergence here. Last thing we had here was a strong bullish on the 4-hour, which was good. So even though we were creating strong bearish on the daily, we didn't have anything on the 4. That would also be coinciding data that would suggest that we could go down. But here, look, on the daily, strong bearish. On the 4-hour, strong bearish now. Right, we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Overbought at 84.71. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour, we don't have anything bearish. Low to high. Previous island, low to high. Positive, more positive. Low to high. So everything here is good. Consolidation. Solana consolidating here on the 1-hour chart. So crypto, we consolidated the 20 moving average. RSI MACD looking positive for our swing. On Solana, you mean? Here where I'm at in Solana? Yeah, we're still consolidating above the 20. It's okay. On the 1-hour, it looks good. There's nothing bearish happening here. So it could be that we're consolidating before we pump again, right? And what I'm looking at here is what we could have had. I'm sure we're still going to have it, but it looks as though we're breaking out of this triangle, right? This pennant that we made. Now, if I use the wicks, I'm going to have to use the wicks here, and I don't think I want to use the wicks. So I want to use the bodies. I'm going to go with the bodies. I'm going to say, we're breaking out right of that small pennant we made after an impulse up. So it's all good, no worries. That could be that we're breaking out of this area, man, right? Could be that we're starting to break out of this area. You bought Sol since it was like 5 to 10. Ooh, nice.
What's up? What's up?
Ryan McLaughlin. Yeah, McLaughlin. I'm not sure how to say your last name. Thank you very much for the sub. That's awesome. I appreciate it. By the way, guys, if you haven't done it, make sure you hit the like, that bell. Most importantly, that sub, which is cool. But the likes are also good. We're lacking on the likes. 31 people watching, only 22 likes. Thank you all for joining me tonight. Again, we're building one of the most awesome crypto communities out there, and that's for real. I even went on Twitter and said that. And it's because you guys are here. So without you guys, there's no community. Yeah, I mean, Solana's not looking too bad. It looks like a good pump, right? Jen Will, hi, how's it going? So it's not looking too bad. Solana, again, looks like it as it could run. All right, we'll see, we'll see. Bought at 66.43. Solana's a beast. I'm not sure what's happening behind the doors on Solana, but it's not looking too bad. Bitcoin trying to recover still. Failing a bit, but holding support where we're supposed to because we have strong bullish divergence. We had strong bullish divergence. We no longer have it. But we were developing strong bullish divergence of the 4-hour. And we have hidden bullish here on the daily still. So we'll see if we hold, right? We'll see if we hold. Again, we're still in this range of consolidation, 49,691 to 46,961, right? Yeah, market's not up, right? Right on. So, let's see if there's anything else that is pumping that's worth mentioning out of the immense crypto list I have here on the side. What else is moving, dude? At least Doge's dropping. Like, it's not getting a lot, but it's not dropping. DOT's not like getting almost 1%, so it's not super exciting. GT is pumping 19%. What the hell is GT, man? We haven't looked at this in a while. Okay, 19%, but the move is almost non-existent. Why? Because we gapped up on the opening. All right, so gonna ignore this. It looks like S-Coin, Hex. Hex still pumping, dude. 7.22%. Hard to stay away from the charts. I know. Seagull doing pretty good. We'll see. We'll see. KSM, Kusama, Legacy. Like, nothing's pumping like extremely hard. At least none of the big projects. There's just some minor caps. One, it's pumping almost 5%. RGD pumping 16%, but that coin move is extremely weird. Rose pumping 9%, so that one's not too bad. We haven't looked at this. Look, it's still pumping. Nice. Again, I'm not running T on any of this because there's no requested, right? I'm just looking at what's pumping, see if there's anything worth mentioning that is running. So everything else that I'm not mentioning is not running. It's either losing or it's not doing super hot on the gains. So what is this, dude? XND, whatever that is. XDN. It's pumping 33%. That is crazy. Okay, it's a gapper. All right. Right, there's really not a lot. That's doing super good. Yo, Mr. Flags, bro. Thank you very much for the kind donation.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
Awesome. Much appreciated. Instead of crypto, we should do a long-term in September Bitcoin price estimate with the stream. Yeah, for sure, man. We should run something like that. It's gonna be tough though, right? It's gonna be tough because September, we don't know anything about it yet. We know that most of September is sent to be red. So the question is, for me, it's still a game of whether or not we keep on holding support. If we hold support, we could try to break 49,000. If we felt support at 46, bro, we'll probably be meaning to hit 40K. I mean, if we drop, particularly if we drop below 45K, it could be a big drop. Someone said Seagull doing something. I'll check in a second. I'll explain to you why it could. Someone said something about Seagull doing good. I just want to make sure I didn't miss it. Seagull, it's dropping 11%. So whoever said Seagull is doing pretty good is doing pretty rough. Dropping 11.40. Show you, look at that, bro. It did pretty good yesterday, 66%. And it had done a lot more. But bro, is he taking a mean dive here, right? Look, it went all the way up to 156% and then pulled back down all the way down here and just closed with 66% gains. It lost more than half of its value on that freaking wick. It's insane. And right now we're still looking at pullback. So the corn, right? So let's go back to the corn real quick. Bitcoin 46,000, right? Why can't we go down, right? We have hidden bullish right now. We're holding 46,800, or not 46,800, holding 46,801. So if we break that area, next target of support would be 45,467. That would be the biggest area for support below there, and then below we have something at 43, and then 42, and then 40. So I do believe if we break below 45,467, Bitcoin could be aiming for 40,000. Right. The hourly doesn't look good. Yeah, I know. We've talked about this. That's why I'm saying Bitcoin's not super bullish. Here we're looking for some bullish divergence to hold. I mean, we can still create it in the next couple candles in the 4 hour. If we do create some kind of hidden bullish, right, we could be going for a rally. Right now we don't have it. We had it when we were drawing it. But anyways, sold at 38.31. And the fact that we're sold could try to get us back to that neutral area. We have really not gone oversold in a while, and we talked about that, right? So we also want to get too oversold at some point in time. Kind of like drop off a little bit and try to get the strength to pump back up. What I'm not liking, right? Strong bullish, pumped, hidden bearish, dropping us. Right now, not dropping us lower than the previous low, but in the 1 hour it was. Look. Bearish divergence strong. Broke, right? Pumped, which is fine. We didn't have anything here for the pump. Hidden bullish on the 4 hour, that's it. Look at this, boom. Pump, right? High to low. Hidden bearish divergence, drop, strong bullish, pumping, but we're failing it higher than the previous high on strong bullish divergence, and the hidden bearish coming back down to drop us. So we know when bearish indicators start to play out a lot more than the bullish ones, market's not looking super bullish, right? We do tend to look for retracements, actions to the downside, and things like that. So that's what I'm looking at here, at least for Bitcoin and the rest of the market. Instead of crypto, are there any chart studies that show volume per country? I have no clue, May. That you could. You got to look at the exchange that is trading in that country, but it'll still be skewed because people from a country might be trading in a couple of exchanges. So I'm not sure if there's a study that does just by country. You can probably look at Fiat Leak, and they might have something by country. I know you can see how the money flows to the countries on Fiat Leak, so that would probably be the only way. I think like this is the closest thing we could look at, probably. It just tells the dollar though. I'm not sure if it tells you by country, but look, you can see Ethereum flowing in, Ripple's flowing in, Bitcoin flowing in, right? So, ADA flowing in, right? Link, Litecoin. So, I think it's the closest you could probably get to by looking at country. I mean, I'm not sure if I can click on other countries. You might, who knows? Haven't really played a lot with this chart here, so let's go back here to trading view. So, hoping, yeah. So we don't have anything bullish right now here in the 1 hour, right? That's what I'm worried about. We're just bouncing on holding support at 46,801. We do have hidden bullish on the 4 hour. We no longer have it. So the only thing I could do is drop to the 30-minute chart and see if we have something here. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still. There's nothing bullish. Bro, there's nothing bullish. And that sucks. Because we're not pumping with anything. We're just pumping with air. Hopefully it's a reaction rally though. We dropped so fast. You get a reaction rally bounce. Where to? Moving average, potentially, maybe less. You just dialed in your portfolio again. Never ends. Yeah, you always got to adjust, right? You rebalance your portfolio. Particularly after a while, if you keep buying different assets and different asset classes, you don't want to allocate, usually, you don't want to allocate more than 20% to one asset class, right? Because you were exposed to an asset class. Let's say you're dividing it between 5 asset classes, mining, tech, you can consider crypto, insurance companies, or whatever you want to consider, right, for your portfolio. But, you know, mining companies, you should not usually allocate more than 20%. That way you're kind of balanced and you're not overexposed to just one asset class where if that tanks massively will like really affect your portfolio. Maybe some other things have a chance of holding out. But what tends to happen is that people tend to look for what's pumping the most, right? So what's happening is if you put more of your portfolio into crypto, obviously if it drops, you're going to be taking a bigger hit overall, right? This is most of your portfolio or a bigger portion of your portfolio. But you cannot deny that crypto is one of the best performing asset classes in the last 10 years. So obviously there is a risk to reward ratio happening there. The question is, how much risk are you willing to put there? How much more of your portfolio do you want to assign to crypto than to other assets, right? Anyways, not bad here for Bitcoin, trying to hold it support at 46,801. Again, like I said, there's really not a lot happening. Besides the drop, we had hidden bearish. It's dropping us. Not what I wanted to see. I was hoping that we're going to hold here support, at least with this candle. I was really hoping we're going to hold here above the previous low and try to bounce back up. But we'll see, right? We'll see. Again, Ethereum, although it did really good yesterday, right now, man, it's almost recovering. 0.08%, right? Almost at 100% recovery. So it's more or less we're close yesterday. But like it was brought by to our attention by Valentine, said, yo, check inverse head and shoulders. I said, yeah, it could. It could. Usually you want to see an inverse head and shoulders coming from a downtrend, right? It's a reversal pattern. So for an inverse head and shoulders, usually what you want to see here is something like this. So you have a downtrend and then you start the reversal, right? But you want to see a downtrend, right? In this case, for this head and shoulders that we have here, what I can say, it's looking what we could consider to be a continuation inverse head and shoulders. What does that mean? It means that we're getting it in a plateau area. If it is to play to the upside still, right, we're getting it at an area of rest. So it's going to be basically what we're looking is with this inverse head and shoulders where it's at, we're looking for a continuation of this pump, right? So what we're getting here, and again, it sometimes happens. It's not uncommon. You get this movement here, and then you start doing this, right? Then you continue to the upside, right? You don't get, you get a lot of those because usually after a pump, you tend to start looking for reversals. Also, you look for regular head and shoulders. You look for inverse cup and handles. You look for other stuff. But they're not super weird. So look, I'll write it here. Continuation inverse head. And shoulders. If I can get here an example, right? So this is a regular one. This is a head and shoulders continuation pattern. You're coming from a downtrend. You have your head and shoulders regular, right? Upside, right? And then you get your movement back. Here, that retest of that neckline, if we flip this upside down, it's what we're getting here in Ethereum, right? So that movement down to retest that neckline is what we just got happening. So that'll be this move here. Retesting. So does that happen the other way? Yeah, it does. It does. Let me see if they have an inverse one here. They don't. But just like there's this one, there's an inverse one. So continuing bottoms, I guess. Is there a continuation one here? No, I just have this one. Oh, they have this one here, right? Then you have your inverse head and shoulders, and then it goes to the upside. So it's that same chart, but upside down. Like I said, it's not the weirdest thing to look at. How common are they? Man, I mean, they're really not uncommon. But like I said, usually an inverse head and shoulders, you want to find like here, right? You want to have a downtrend, a clear downtrend, and then you look for that reversal. Continuation ones don't play as much or strong. But we'll see. We shall see. Daughter's crying. She's pissed. That is smart, Jen. That is a smart thing to do. Set up your alerts. That's how you sleep nice at night. Otherwise, huddle your ether tight, right? You don't have alerts, it's not gonna be good. But thank you guys for being here. Guys, like I said, I'll promise a short stream. I already went 15 minutes into the stream. Not because I want to cut it short. I do gotta wake up super early. Alright. Nice, Jake. That is awesome. Guys, thank you for joining me again. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Remember, this one awesome community that we're building, we cannot do it without you guys. You guys make this possible by being here and hitting the likes. So, like I said, if you enjoyed the stream, hit the like. You know, it's just free. It's like a quick click on the way out. Remember, all the information that we produce here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. On that note, guys, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.